Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to be reviewing this Shashibo Square. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who basically want to play with some sort of shape shifting box. And so this is what it looks like. Okay, so this can turn practically into 20 different shapes. Okay, so if I go ahead and unfold it first, you can see that this is what it looks like. And so it's like a interlocking shape shifting box where you can have kids or people create different types of shapes with this, but it makes a lot of different geometric designs, as you can see here. So this is one design. You can make it like this. This is another obscure design like that. If you go inside out, you can make it look like this. This is pretty useful when it comes to playing shapes with kids. And so you can see the different geometric designs. There's a lot of different kinds of this. You could actually connect them to one another, or you can actually go ahead and collect them one or all at all, or you can try collecting all of them. And so with this, it's pretty high quality. I can't imagine it breaking. It does look like this. So again, a ton of different shapes. It comes with a manual as far as all the different shapes and all the different types of Shashibos that you could actually go ahead and collect. So it's a really neat piece of invention, I'd say, but I've had no problems with it whatsoever. So again, it's called the Shashibo. It's a fun motion toy. Adults can use it, kids can use it to kind of fidget with. And with that, there's all different sorts of shapes that you could actually go ahead and make with this. But I've had no problems with it whatsoever.